About 4 days ago, this is where we started, and as you can see, there's now some trenches have been dug. Beforehand, there was no trenches dug. And here's what this area looked like about 4 days ago. So it looks like some concrete's about to be poured here too. Now here's a wide shot of that same area from the former Rocky Mountain Trucking Company, soon to be the Off-Road Rally. Now here's the area that used to be the Huff and Puff, which will also be part of the new off-road rally. And here's what it looked like 4 days ago. As you can see, the first layer of concrete has been poured in this area. The other area, it's still yet to be cemented, but I'm sure that's going to happen in the next couple days. Next time, as it progresses, I'm going to also give you a wide-angle shot as well, just to provide more perspective all at the same time. I did do it on the other side. That used to be the Rocky Mountain Trucking Company, but we look forward to doing that next time. And here's what the most right portion of the former Huff and Puff looked like 4 days ago. And this is what it looks like on May 12th, 2024. Alright, you can see from the branch point of the Linus launcher some of the concrete that's been poured already. Kind of funny how at sunset it's easier to see it in more detail than it is during the daytime. Of course, on Wednesday, the 8th of May, when I last recorded this, Knott's closed at 6 p.m. when the sun was still out, so it was not yet sunset. So there was nothing I could do then, but now, wow. And this is an area that we did not film a couple days ago. It's next to the ramp leading up to Montezuma's Revenge. You can see that on the orange rails on the left. And in between that and the clubhouse, where they control the Linus launcher, is some more concrete you can see beyond the trees for the new off-road rally. Can you see it? In front of the construction progress of the new off-road rally at Camp Snoopy at Knott's Berry Farm, I'm Josh Jacobs for the Talking Archive.